Papa, Peter. Neil, shut up. Shut up.
Neil! What rubbish! Gilman, look, if you don't kill me in this house, I will kill you.
Papa, she will not kill you.
No, she will not. She will not.
Papa, I told you she killed her parents. Look at me again.
Papa, I am sorry. I did not mean to add too much salt in the food. It was a mistake.
Papa, now let me even ask you. Who are you calling your father? Eh? You don't know your father. Okay? You don't know your father again. You killed your father.
Yes.
Yeah. Your father and your father and your mother are there in the grave. You killed them both. Now listen. Never in your life open this your stinking mouth to call me papa or father. Agatha here is my only daughter. You know what? Never you in your life call me father. Agatha here is my only daughter. You know what? Next time you add so much salt. In fact, you're telling me no. It's not a mistake. It's just a mistake. Let me tell you, and let me warn you seriously. Next time you add so much salt. In fact, okay. Bacharanya, she did it on purpose.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, your idea to add too much salt in that food was to poison my daughter and I. Where? Okay.
Papa, I told you this girl is very wicked. She's wicked.
Very, very wicked. Nga. Ndidiamaka.
She will kneel here till sunset. She's not going to leave here.
Okay, that's a very good idea. You will kneel here until sunset. You will kneel down here till sunset. And not to eat. You will not eat anything.
Papa, please.
Who is your papa?
I have not eaten anything since yesterday, please.
You have the mouth to tell me you've not eaten anything. Eh? You have the mouth to tell me you've not eaten anything today. What rubbish. Amusu. You want to kill me? Eh? You want to kill me? Oh, you went and put salt. Too much salt in my food so that tomorrow hypertension.
Why you don't have hypertension? You are strong.
I reject it. You're learning to be smart. Alright. No. You add not salt this time. Maybe it's pepper next one. You, Ndidamaka. Okay. You have killed your parents. You want to kill me. You want to kill my daughter and I so that you can inherit our property.
Papa, she cannot. She's too small.
Hey.
She's too small.
Let's go inside. Okay. Let's go inside. If anything you leave this fault. Let's go inside. If you move from there.
You are crying. Hey. You have not seen anything. If you want to stop crying, go and meet your dead parents. Ekoinsu. Papa!
What is going on there? Has she run away?
No, she's here. Papa, there's no water in this house. Let her go and fetch water.
Oh, there's no water?
Yes.
Ndidiamaka, Call Ndidi Joker. You heard her. There is no water. Not even a drop of water in this house. Ngwa, Zuzurun, Ba, go inside there, get the can, and go and get water. The only thing you know to do, Ndidi Joker, is to eat. Eat! Eat!
Papa, and also add salt to the food.
Yes!
Much salt.
Ngwa. And don't look at me like that. Don't. If you look at me like that, if you move. Move.
You don't beat her very well. She's still strong.
Don't worry, I will deal with her. You know, sometimes I just look at them, you know, her father, my brother, hey, but don't worry, we'll deal with her in this house. You know?
Don't waste time, go and fetch that.
And if you like, don't come back, sleep there. I give you 5 minutes to come back and get water and come back here. Nonsense. Hey! The only thing she knows to do.
When she come back, allow me to beat her. Yes.
Ndidi, this one your face is like this. Are you okay? I'm not fine. Do you know that since yesterday I have not eaten anything? I've been drinking water morning, afternoon and night. Why is your uncle and his daughter so wicked like this? Eh? Why are they so wicked like this? Well, follow me home. Let me get you something to eat. Are you serious? Thank you so much, Juju. My God will bless you.
I said it! Ndidi Ajoka, where did you get the money with which you used to buy food? Because I smelled chicken. Chicken was coming out from your mouth. Where did you get the money from?
Papa,
Who is your father? Who is your papa? I have warned you several times not to call me your father. I am not your father. Ngwa, for the last time, where did you get the money you used in buying chicken peri-peri?
Uncle, it was my friend Uju that gave me rice. I did not eat any chicken. It was just rice that she gave to me.
Hey! Papa, she's lying. I saw her eat chicken.
Uncle, I don't eat any chicken, no.
Papa, she's lying.
You have now become a big liar. A criminal.
Yes.
A big thief. Oh, little wonder. The money that in my house has been missing for these years. So you have been the one stealing all my money all these years.
No.
Eh? Using it to buy chicken. Eh? Using it to buy chicken. Using it to buy chicken. My money and chicken. Inga know that. You will start in this house. So all these years you have been the one stealing this money.
Uncle, I'm not taking anything that belongs to someone else. Stop more of taking money.
You are not done what? You are rich. You are rich. Where did I drop this wallet? Eh?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, good day.
Good day. You look like you were looking for something. Please, what are you looking for?
I lost my wallet. I visited a friend down the street only to walk down to my car, but I couldn't find my wallet anymore.
Is it this one?
Jesus! That's my wallet! Wow! The money is still complete! So we still have good girls around. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Ndidiamaka. I saw the wallet on my way coming here, so...
Oh, Ndidiamaka. Such a nice name. Ndidiamaka, where are you off to?
I'm going home.
Oh, home. Which direction are you going?
It's that way.
That way? Please, can I drop you off? Don't say no, please.
My house is not far from here.
No, don't say no. Let me drop you, okay? Please. Let me drop you, please. Come, oh, please. Enter, oh, please. Let me drop you off, please, okay? You don't have any issue. Just enter. You are safe with me. You are safe. No. You don't trek. Let me drop you, okay? Please. Wow. Alright.
I'm sure of what I saw.
You're sure?
I saw her, yes!
You're sure?
Yes, Papa, I saw her!
Didajoka, for the last time, tell me, who was that man that dropped you with his car?
Uncle, I just helped the man pick up his wallet and he offered to drop me home. There's nothing between us.
Hey! Papa, she's lying! Papa, I overheard them discussing how they made love in the hotel.
Hey! Agatha! Uncle, it's a lie. I did not do anything with any man in any hotel.
Jeremy. Agatha, you say, wait. Hotel.
Yes, Papa.
No, Jerry. What did you just say again? Say it again.
Papa, the man even told her that she's sweet.
Hey! Oh, Dizamaka. So you are learning now how to do how to do migremo. No Roma. Hey! My brother's my brother's daughter.
Uncle, it's a lie.
Hey, Papa, she was even robbing the man.
Hey! Robbing!
Yeah, they're doing
Uncle,
like
it's
this,
a lie.
like this.
Uncle Agatha is lying. Uncle, I swear. It's a lie. Uncle, I did not do anything with any man in any hotel. I did not follow the man to any hotel. We just offered to drop me home. That was it, Uncle. I did not follow him to any hotel.
Papa, she followed the man. And the man said she's sweet.
Hey!
You know what you do for me? Just kneel down and let me congratulate you.
Papa, it's a lie. Papa, I swear it's a lie. I did not follow that man to any hotel. Papa.
Now let me congratulate you for the job well. Oh, my niece is learning to do apuna.
No.
My niece!
Uncle,
My niece!
You mean your uncle and his daughter beat you because a stranger you helped dropped you? My dear, the worst part is that Agatha even accused me of going to a hotel with the man. Why does Agatha hate you that much? Do I know? What did you even do to that girl? I don't know what I have done to deserve the kind of hate I'm getting from Agatha. I don't know what I have done to her. Hey God, my God will judge her. Are you eating? From here? I forgot to tell you. Do you know that I was beaten mercilessly the last time because of that food you gave to me? Shimo, what didn't you I gave you food? My uncle saw oil on my mouth and that was how he got to find out that I ate outside. These people are wicked. Very wicked. They are very, very wicked. But don't worry, Don't worry. I'll give you another food. So be careful this time around. Please. Once you are done eating, wash your mouth. Okay. It's fine. Just come in and okay? Please, let's hurry. I need to go back and
Good day.
My name is Mike.
Okay.
Yes, I just came back from South Africa. Yeah. Day before yesterday, I lost my wallet. And a young lady who I guess stays in this compound found it and returned it back to me.
Wow.
So I She said her name is Ndidiamaka.
Yeah, that's okay. That's my niece, my brother's daughter. And you see how I used to, that's how I encourage them to, to be nice, to not to.
She's really a good girl.
A very, very good girl. Very good girl.
Sir, I came to say a very big thank you to her once again. And to give this to her.
Yeah, I trained her very well. I trained her very, very well, very well.
And I also have another thing for her too.
You know what?
Yeah.
Mr.
Sir, this is $500. Please make sure it gets to her, okay?
Oh.
Yeah, this is my own way of saying thank you to her.
It's alright. It's alright. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. You can also have this one for yourself.
Hey, Mr. Light.
To keep body and soul together.
Oh.
So this is for you.
Okay. Nano, thank you very much.
I
don't know how to thank you. Thank you very much.
You raised a good girl.
Yes! You see, each time I always tell these children to be very, very truthful and deal with people in a very nice way. You see? Thank you.
I will be on my way right now.
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I have somewhere to catch up with. But sir, I will be back by weekend to see her. Okay. Just tell her I checked up on her.
Oh, it's alright. No, anytime. Feel free to come in.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes. No problem. No, you're always welcome. Yeah. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Hey. Just leave it. Don't worry, you come and
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. She's in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen.
Yes. Hey, bird. Shh. Hey, Papa,
See, a man came to this house and said he helped him to pick his wallet and told me to give her $500.
Hey.
Yes, he said I should also give 200 for my to take care of myself. And the man said he came from South Africa.
Hey, Papa, that man must be very rich.
Yes, oh. In fact, he looks very, very rich. These are the kind of men you should be bringing into this house, Agatha. These are the kind of men you should be bringing into this house. Look, you're getting to 30. You should be married by now.
Papa, must you say that to my face? I'll marry. God time is the best.
No, I'm sorry. My daughter, oh, I know. Hey, Mama, Nego.
Papa, hope you're not planning of giving her the money.
I don't know about my mad. I don't know. Listen, see, I haven't even tell her that somebody can do for her. I will not.
Good. Perfect.
Don't clap. I will not tell her that somebody came to look for her. Well, she will not even know. From today, I'll start sending her away. From Friday till Sunday, because the man said he'll be coming by weekend, so that whenever the man comes, the man will not see her.
Hey, Papa, that's a perfect plan.
Okay. What? Did you hear anything?
I said, did you hear anything?
Also,
Anything like what?
Did you hear anything?
Did you hear anything? When here no.
I want to collect money, so I'll go and buy salt. Salt is finished.
Yeah. Salt. What?
What happened to the salt I bought 2 months ago?
Uncle, that one is finished.
Yeah. What is going on in this house? Did Joker? What is going on? So are you stealing salt or you are leaking salt?
Or do you sell them?
No.
Salt 2 months ago and he has finished. Neko. On natural salt or the tibu. Oh yeah, here. Buy 50 naira salt and bring back 950.
Uncle, 50 naira salt is very small. Let me just buy the big size.
Are you the one sending me to the market, or I am the one sending you to the market? I said buy 50 naira worth of salt and bring me 950. In fact, repeat after me. Bring back 950.
Bring back 950.
To me.
To me.
To you. Say to you.
To you.
Nonsense. Quinsu.
Nonsense.
Get out.
Zuzu. Go.
50 naira salt is very small.
Yeah.
Pam. Fulif. All you know how to do is eat.
Papa.
So,
Papa. Give me some money.
Arrogant. No, nobody will be doing pick. When anytime you see money. Mama Inka. It's so bad again. That's religion.
Dollar.
Why you take it easy? Don't shout. Money doesn't like too much noise. If you shout too much, the value will reduce. Don't shout.
Well, go and buy New Year.
Don't worry. Don't shout too much. Let's go inside before the fully comes back. Don't shout too much. You know.
Good day, Auntie Agatha.
This one you called me Auntie Agatha today. Hope you don't want to kill me the way you killed your parents.
I want to please beg you to please give me some bread because I have not eaten anything since yesterday.
You're hungry. You want bread? Let me give you so that you not say I'm very wicked. Take. Mba. Take and eat. You want it again? Hey!
Oh yeah, now.
Get out! Get out! No sense. To eat bread. Get out!
Ndidi, your uncle chased you out of the house yesterday, being Friday, around 6 a.m. And now you don't pursue common house. What is happening? Like, K4, what is happening? I don't know what is happening. See, I cannot tell what is happening. The whole thing is just, I'm tired. But all I know is that my God is going to fight for me. It's just God that I'm looking up to, because me now as a human being, I am tired. I am fed up. Well, that is better. At least for 2 days now, you have been free. And that gives us time to chase, play and all that. Oh, what of Ebuka, your friend? Did he later come yesterday? He did though, but you know I don't like that boy again. I thought you used to like him. Yes, I used to, but I don't like him again. Like, he's too full of himself. He brags a lot. I don't like that. Better accept him, men are scarce. No, it's fine. Don't like him.
Please, enough of Ebuka. Is there anything that you have at home? I'm very hungry.
Let me see if I never even chop. Don't worry, I'll go and get the food so we can eat together.
Okay, better. Please go and get it. Sharp. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, Uju, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hope you like the food.
Very sweet. Very sweet. Hey, I've not eaten since 2 days.
Time. Are you trying now? Are you trying in that house? Take it easy, Obiko.
I'm very, very hungry.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
Good day, sir. I've been around.
But your uncle said you traveled, that you are not in town.
Traveled?
Yes, I visited your house in your absence and your uncle told me that you traveled.
I did not travel, oh, sir. I've been around.
Alright, no problem. So, hope he delivered the goodies I bought for you. Yeah, I even left some money with him to give to you.
Money and gift? So I did not receive anything from anyone. No. I did not receive anything.
Are you serious?
I did not receive anything.
Well, anyways, let me drop you off. Just enter the car, let me drop you.
Enter car? Sir, please, I don't want to enter any car. I don't want anyone to, I don't want them to flog me again, please.
You don't want anybody to flog you? No, I don't understand. Come again.
Sir, please, I don't want to enter your car, please.
You don't want anybody to flog you? Well, leave that. Let me drop you, okay? Just...
Sir, please, I have to get going now. Please, I'll see you.
Didi, come now! Stop! What's happening? Floor.
Papa, that can never be possible. It will never happen over my dead body. How can that uneducated, stupid, foolish girl get married before me? Papa, I'm beautiful and also educated. I have to get married though. You have to do something about it.
My daughter, I am confused. I don't know what to do. If I tell the man not to marry Ndidi, he might run away with her. In fact, right now, I am between the Israelites and the Red Sea. I do not know what to do. I am confused.
Papa, all I'm saying is that we should not allow that man to marry Ndidi. Papa, if that man marry her, hey, Papa, we'll be the one begging her for money. Check it now, Papa. It's not fair. It's not fair.
That's true. Very, very, very true. You know what? If he marries Ndidi, it's obvious he will take Ndidi to South Africa. And Ndidi will become rich. She will now be in a position to pay us back in threefolds all the evil things we did to her. More so, you know, I took away some of her father's properties. She might use government now to retrieve those properties from me.
Okay. Papa, you have seen it.
Hey!
Papa, so you have to do everything possible for him not to marry her. You have to do something, Papa.
But what do I do? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. But I would not like him to marry from another family. You know, he's a very, very, very rich man. And those are the kind of in-laws I like.
Papa, that's why you have to do everything for him to marry me. Yes, Papa.
Gaga, I don't know what.
Papa, stop telling me you don't know what to do. This is why you're saying you don't know what. You must do something. Hey.
Agatha, it's chosen. Agatha, chosen. Agatha, no, chosen. Ndidi, who are you? Who are you? Nonsense. Welcome. No. I don't know. Let me get you. No, let me get you something. Wine. They can like it. Or gin.
You don't have to disturb yourself. Just sit down.
Okay?
We can do that later.
You're a very, very special person.
We can do that later, okay?
You know that money you give me, like 100,000 is still remaining. Darling.
Thank you so much. The last time I came, I saw Ndidi. I asked her to, enter the car, let me drop her off. But she ran away.
She did?
Yes.
No, she did not tell me that. She did not tell me she saw you.
But, sir, you told me that she traveled.
I said that?
Yes, you did.
I did? Oh, yes! I remember, yes, you see what happened was, that day, immediately you left, she came back.
Oh.
Yes, you came back. But that's not even the problem. The issue is, I have a daughter. Have you seen my daughter, Agatha? I'm gonna, these things you young boys like. She's well behaved and she's educated. You will like her. She's fair as flower. Okay. But Adora, this one is my daughter. She's fresh. Very sweet, succulent. You calm down. Let me. Agatha! Come here. Don't worry, you laugh. No, don't worry.
Good day, sir.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sir, you look good.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Sir, please, can she excuse us?
Yes. You have seen enough.
Let her excuse us.
Ngwa, Agatha. Excuse us. There's no problem. Excuse us. You like her? She has these things you people like.
Hey, sir, that's not why I'm here. Is Ndidi at home?
Okay. Yes, she's at home.
Please, can I see her? Please.
Okay. So bad again. This is the difference. Ndidi want to see, no problem. Ndidi!
Yes, Uncle.
Some of them will take forever to come. Very soon now she'll be expecting you to give her transport. We will come and see you. Then, you see, when we finish, you should go see good people. Come back.
Yes,
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, sir.
Say yes, sir. Say sir.
Sir, it's okay.
Yes, I'm saying it's okay.
Take it easy.
Stand there for him.
Sir,
No, wait. I want to do. Calm down. I am trying to arrange somebody here. The people are misbehaving. When children misbehave like this, you put them in check. You arrange them very well. You don't allow children to misbehave now. You came all the way to come and see us, and then instead of how to be gentle and be just negotiate.
It's okay, sir.
I think just negotiate now. Just say that's not okay. That is why we have to arrange them. Because you have here now, they can say good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. That's what these people can do that thing for you. That's why. Stand where. Good afternoon, sir. Say sir.
Sir, it's okay.
Yes, I'm saying it's okay.
Take it easy.
Stand where for him. Yes, respect. Sir, say sir.
Sir.
Good.
Now to the reason I'm here. The reason I'm here. Sir, I guess you are the uncle to Ndidi.
Yes.
And I learned that her parents are late.
Stand very well. Remove your hand. Stand well now.
I learned that the parents are dead.
Yes, they are dead. Some people kill them, but we don't know who. Nonsense.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yes.
The reason I came is to ask for her hand in marriage.
What?
I have good news for you.
Who's that?
Guess what? Guess what? Before I tell you.
You know I'm not good at guessing.
You're not good at guessing. Okay, Mike said he's coming to get married to me and take me to South Africa.
Chimo.
Hey!
You serious? Hey, Ndamaka, I'm very, very happy for you.
Thank you so much.
But what did your uncle say about it?
That one, him and his daughter has not spoke to me since I told them about it. Well, me, I don't care. I do not care. All I care about now is Mike getting married to me and me going to South Africa. He gave me 50,000 naira. He also gave me his number to be calling him on phone if I need anything before he finally come back, pay my bride price and take me to South Africa.
My friend, please remember me when you get to South Africa.
Hey, why not? Of course I'll remember you, my friend. If not for anything, for all the food that you've been giving me all this while. Don't worry, I'll remember you. In fact, I'm going to tell Mike about you.
Congratulations, oh.
Thank you.
Chai. But, do you like the man?
See what you're asking me, oh. Who does not like better thing?
Chai.
Please, I like the man very well. At least, all this my suffering is going to end. I'm going to live a good life. I'm tired of all this suffering. God has finally cleaned my tears and you're asking me if I like the man. Please don't say that again. No. I like him.
Chai, Ndamaka, you're such a lucky girl.
Thank you.
I swear. Anywhere you go, your name always follow you.
Thank you.
Chai.
Very soon I'll be going to South Africa.
Papa, this man will continue coming here until he meets with her.
Didi,
Yes. What do you think we should do?
I've also been thinking about it. But see, I don't know. I know one thing. That his visits have been very, very frequent here. And one thing is for sure, he must have a reason behind the visits.
Papa, the last time he came, did he give you any money?
Here! And he gave me 500,000 naira.
Hey!
Yes, Agatha. These are the kind of in-laws I like to see. I like to have. 500,000. The man is rich, oh.
I think I like the man.
No, I think I like the man.
When next he comes, I want to talk to him.
Where will I see you? Eh? Agatha, where will I see you? Every day in this village, all you do is walk up and down and up and down and up. The question I want to ask you is this. Those people you visit, when will they come here to ask for your hand in marriage? I'm joking again.
Papa, you have started again. Don't worry, Papa. Once I meet with this Mr. Mike, Papa, I'll be serious with him and he will marry me. Yes.
He will marry you.
Yes, Papa.
I gotta learn to shake you or something very, very well. Shake it.
Trust me.
Twerk it. What do you twerk it? I mean twerk it. Hey, shake it so that this man will marry you.
Yeah, that is good. That's a good one. I don't want. I think I can. Let's see.
Ndidi, Ekwensu. Hey, Ndamaka, stop! Ekwensu. Stop there. Wait. Who gave you permission to drink water?
Since when did they start taking permission to drink water?
Hey, so I'm talking, you are talking. Okwaya, eh? I'm talking. Give me this water. Give me water. Get out. Get out. Ekwensu. I said get out. Go. Ekwensu. You are still there. You are looking at me. Do you want to fight me? You are still standing there. Do you want to fight me? Go and meet your dead parents. going soon. Go. I'll frustrate you in this house. Nonsense.
A wise one. I greet you. A wise one. Please, I want Mike to marry my daughter, Agatha, and hate Ndidi for life. Who doesn't want them? Ihe mere ba anyị wakaturi makwu chara no mu jesi ni tepu ome udeze na anya naba ebunebude mazo keke. It will cost you 20,000 naira.
20,000.
Wise one. You're sure Mike will marry my daughter and hate Ndidi for life? As long as you're sure.
Oka baraba isikeje ya.
Always you.
Mo gbade ebu awo. Adelioba, Ijia. He will marry your daughter.
This is 20,000, wise one.
Mazo keke.
Wise one.
Wait for me. Makanoka baraba isikeje ya.
Guys. Hey.
Take this. Hold it very well. Bury it where no eyes can see it. Then it is done.
It's done.
You may not go.
This is all I should do.
Mazo keke.
Thank you, wise one.
It is done.
Thank you.
You may not go.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you. Dalo, thank you.
Nwanyi na-ebakwa na nwa nwụrụ ya zụala. Nwoke dara ibi, ọ bụ onye nwụrụ ya zụ ibe. Ọ mmadụ ka a na-agwa. Ihe a na-eri ọba. Ma ọ bụ a na-egbu awọ. Ọ na-abụ ọbịa m n'uche kwuo n'ọnụ. Ya nkwube. Ọbịa. Ọ bụ nsị mmeka na-eme ọbịa. Ife onye metara. Ya were isi abụrụ.
Yes, my brother. Village is fine. I'm enjoying it here. Don't worry. I will be in South Africa soon. Maybe in 2 months' time, I should be back to South Africa. Yes. No problem. I will get married. Just relax. I will invite you. You'll be there. Hello? Hello, G. Sorry, my brother. Sorry. I will call you back. Just give me some time. I will call you back.
Ndidi Amaka. So you mean Agatha poured you water? My dear, she even slapped me on top. Wait, all because you didn't take permission before drinking the water. Maybe you have seen it now. Why is this girl so wicked like this? That's why she's still single. Why is she so wicked like this? What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Would you please? God is going to give her a good man that will get married to her.
You self, I don't know.
I don't understand you. Someone is wishing you, like, someone is treating you like a slave. You still have the mind and be wishing the person well. Who does that? What do you want me to do? Eh? What do you want me to do? I am not God. I'm just going to live hard with our conscience. I'm not God. Well, that can't be me, Sha. That can't be me because I know myself and I know what I can do. Well, I wish you well. Don't worry, Mike will come back and marry you and he'll take you to the city. You know, go?
I pray so. Because me, I'm tired. I'm tired of all this suffering.
Have you eaten?
You should not even... You're not supposed to be asking me if I have eaten. Where am I supposed to get the food from?
I don't sure say in the back up. Come, let's go inside. If I have anything, I'll give you.
No. You've always refused anything I want to offer you. You're sure you don't want any apple and egusi soup?
See how is family?
Family is fine.
I am here for good.
That's the good thing. That's the good thing.
I'm sorry for everything, please. In fact, whatever you want now, name it. I will get them for you.
Hey, I love you so much.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ichi, I'm coming tomorrow with my kinsmen to collect the marriage list.
Hey.
I want to rush everything.
It's very, very good.
Good day, sir.
What is good about the day? This is the chosen one. Who are you? Ichi, please. Anytime I come here, I don't want to see this girl. Please. Let us stay at the backyard.
Did you hear what he said? Agatha, my daughter is chosen. Agatha is chosen. Who are you? Who are you? Come on, go. Maya.
Ichi, one more thing. I want to take her out this evening, please.
Please don't do like this. This is not perfect.
I will bring her back later in the day.
You people should do why you suffer. Yes.
Wow. So how is Papa now?
Baba is fine.
You are too sweet, baby.
You too. I love you.
Turn around for me. Oh my God. Hi. Baby. Come on, take more. Sorry.
Hey! Jeez. Is this no Mike? The man that wants to marry my friend Didi. Hi! Go they trust the man. Fear quoi? They fear this gender.
So.
Don't mind that your stupid sister, Nigerian.
She's not my sister.
Sure?
Yes.
You people should chase her away.
I'll tell my father to do so.
Okay, do it. Do it for me. I will do anything that you want. I will give it to you back to back.
I love you.
is my life like this? Why has God forsaken me?
Idemaka, the Lord that I serve cannot forsake his own people.
Ever since I was born, all I do is cry every single day. And now the only person that came to give me joy and happiness has been taken away from me by Agatha. And you're telling me it's okay? It's not okay.
Idemaka, understand. Understand, but don't stop crying, please. Stop crying, you soon find peace, oh?
I don't know. I'm just tired. I'm tired of this life.
Stop crying, people.
Papa, Papa, you are truly a good father. Papa, Mike does not allow me to rest. He calls me day and night.
Yes, that is how it should be. In fact, that is what we have been praying for. And God has finally answered our prayer.
Yes.
Next week, your traditional marriage will be coming up. And after that, he will be taking you to South Africa.
Yes, so Papa, don't worry. When I get to South Africa, I will ask him to bring you down.
No, I trust you. I trust you, my daughter. She's there. She's crying. She's been crying throughout yesterday. She's been crying.
Papa, let her die. Let her you die and go and join her dead parents. Yes. Papa, what did you do? You did not tell me anything about it. Because I'm surprised at the recent happenings.
My daughter, what do they say? What an elder sees sitting down. Even if you climb the Iroko tree, you will not say it.
Yes.
I am your father. You know, I am your father. So I have the best interest for you. Leave the rest for me.
Hey.
Leave the rest.
Papa, don't worry. Very soon I'll do it.
Imakwandao. South Africa.
Ichie, thank you so much. You see this, your daughter? She's really a good girl.
I told you now. I told you will never regret it.
Unlike some people around us.
Leave this one. Ichie, as a matter of fact, I will punch in 1 million.
Hey, Obia.
So you will use and buy drink for your kinsmen. That's not all. I'm going to give you another 2 million.
2 million?
Yes.
Yeah! Onye ka mbụzi kan.
For your personal use, I will bring down this house and build a duplex for you.
Hey! You are building down the house?
Yes.
For us?
I will build
a duplex?
Yes.
Hey! Obia.
Just relax. I still have a lot that I will do for you.
Did Amaka? My love. My love.
Jesus. What happened to me? Eh? It's madness. So let's go. Let's go.
Agatha.
Listen, they are not mad. Please, let's go. Let's go.
Uju, my friend, I want to thank you so much for everything you did for me.
Okay.
God bless you. I and my husband will be traveling to South Africa tomorrow. So I just took out time to come and see you and say bye to you for the last time before going. I also want to give this little token to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Uju, I would also like to say a very big thank you. The way you treated my wife when her uncle and daughter were treating her so bad. She told me everything. We'll be traveling to South Africa tomorrow. But before then, I want to show some appreciation. Okay? Put in your account number here. Okay. I just sent you 1 million naira.
Hey, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Hey,
Keep on doing good. May God keep blessing you, okay?
Amen. You are truly a good friend.
You're welcome.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Alright, thank you once again, okay? Keep on doing good.